Hi, today we're going to be making a chocolate chunk muffin, and we're going to be adding some pumpkin. I had leftover pumpkin I need to make something with, so this is what we're making. We're going to get started right on this. We're just going to follow the box directions, and then we're going to add some pumpkin to it. I think it's going to be wonderful like that. It's fall, so we're going with all the pumpkin desserts. Oh, those are big chocolate chunks. We've got our mix in there. We've got 3 eggs. We're just going to mix them a little bit before we add them in. Not much. This is going to go really fast. I think this pumpkin is going to make them super moist, super tasty. We've got a 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of oil, and we are going to add a couple of tablespoons of pumpkin to this mix. Kind of heaping tablespoons. And I think it's going to make it really moist and flavorful to go along with the chocolate. And I promised my husband I'd make him something chocolate. This is his favorite, absolute favorite, is the chocolate chunk muffins, chocolate chip muffins, either one. And his birthday's coming up in a few days, so he'll be super happy. We'll get these mixed up, and we're going to put them right in the muffin pan. We're going to fill these up and see if we can get some big fat muffins out of this. I don't know how many. I don't want little muffins. I want big muffins. We're going to stick these in the oven, bake them off, come back and show you what they look like. The muffins are done. They look wonderful. Let's see how they came out in the middle. It's really hot. Ooh. Maybe we should get it out of the container first.
You're showing the cute little...
Yeah, it's all decorated for Halloween. Kids are going to love it. Let's see how we came out. Wow, super soft. Oh my goodness. That looks amazing. Totally done. Be super moist from that pumpkin. These are going to be delicious. Kids are going to love them. They're all decorated up for Halloween with the pretty little colors there on our Halloween plate. Give this a try. This is going to be wonderful. Join us again at Mom's Easy Eats.